Introduction. A plant's transport system is made up of lots of tiny tubes that carry substances required for growth and reproduction up and down the plant. Flowering plants have a separate transport system for water and nutrients made by the plant. As a result, there are two types of tubes, phloem and xylem. Phloem. These tubes carry nutrients made by the plant, such as sugars and amino acids, from the leaves to the rest of the plant, including the growing regions and the storage organs. This is called translocation. Phloem tissue is living and forms a continuous system throughout the leaves, stems and roots. Xylem. Xylem vessels are dead cells which do not contain cytoplasm, and they also form a continuous system with leaves, roots and stems. Xylem vessels carry water and dissolved minerals up the stem to the leaves. Both xylem and phloem are grouped together in vascular bundles. Xylem vessels also play an important part in supporting the plant, holding it upright. Bushes and trees have a lot of xylem to support them. Tree trunks are mainly made of xylem. How does water enter the plant? Just behind the root tips are lots of tiny root hairs which take in water and minerals by osmosis. The root hairs increase the surface area, more water to enter the root. Osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water from a weak solution to a concentrated solution through a partially permeable membrane. Water moves into the root hair as the water in the soil is a weak solution, and the cell sap in the root hair is a concentrated solution. This movement of water continues across the whole of the root cortex until it reaches the xylem. The xylem vessels carry water up to the leaves. Leaves. Water is pulled up the xylem in the stem to the leaves, a bit like water being sucked up a straw. The water stops the plant from wilting. It transports materials such as minerals and is used in photosynthesis. When the water gets to the leaves, some of it evaporates into the air. This is called transpiration. As the water is lost through the stomata in the leaves, more water is pulled up the xylem vessels, so there is a continuous flow of water from the roots of the leaves. This flow of water from roots to leaves is called the transpiration stream. Why is transpiration important? It provides the plant with a continuous supply of water and minerals. Water is needed for photosynthesis, and minerals are needed for making proteins. Water is also needed to keep the cells turgid, firm, so that they support the plant. A shortage of water, particularly in a young plant, can result in wilting. The evaporation of water from the leaves keeps the plant cool in hot weather. If the plant loses water faster than it is replaced by the roots, the stomata can close to prevent wilting.